Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the assembly of your acrylic standing towel rack. Before getting started, check that you have all the parts included in your package. Your kit includes curved metal tubes, ball fittings, an Allen key, grub screws, floor flanges, metal tubes, and acrylic tubes in two sizes, medium and large. Begin by placing the ball tees on both ends of the metal tubes. Insert and tighten the grub screws using the Allen key. Repeat this step on the other side. Next, slide the two curved metal tubes onto the opposite sides of the ball tees. Tighten the grub screws again to secure them in place. Now slide two medium-sized acrylic rods through the open ends of the ball tees. Position the curved metal pieces at the top and the straight metal tubes through the acrylic rods. Insert and tighten the grub screws to hold everything firmly together. Repeat these steps with the remaining ball tees to complete both frame sections. Finally, attach the floor flanges at the bottom of each frame. Insert and tighten the grub screws using the Allen key, then repeat on the other side. Position the two standing frames on opposite ends of the three large-size acrylic rods. Insert and tighten the grub screws to secure the rods in place. Repeat on the other side to finish the structure. And that's it! Your acrylic standing towel rack is now fully assembled and ready to use. With just a few simple steps, your setup is complete.